Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make LinkedIn account. So first of all, after installing LinkedIn application, simply launch the app. Now over here, tap on the option of join LinkedIn if you want to sign up for your LinkedIn account. Okay, here we go. After this, you have to start by entering your email address. So for instance, I'm going to enter my email address here. And then tap on the option of agree and join. After this, you would have to create a strong password for your LinkedIn account. And after you have entered your password, tap on the option of agree and join at the bottom again. Here we go. After this, you have to start by creating a first name and your last name for your LinkedIn account. And then tap on continue again. Now you will come to this page where you have to do a quick security check. You need to follow these instructions given. After this security check, you will be led to this page. Now select your location and then tap on the option of next. After this, you will come to this page. If you wish to, you can add most recent job title, and if you turn on the toggle, you can enter your student details. So for now, you have to enter your job title. So I'm going to choose this option. And then you have to choose employment type. Select any one of your choice. And then choose your company that you have been working for. So I'm going to add this company. And then tap on next at the bottom. Now you can also add a photo on your LinkedIn or tap on skip for now. After this, you have to provide the 6-digit code sent to your email address. So this is the code and simply enter it here. After this, select any of these options according to your choice. Now, if you wish to, you can connect with various people here or tap on skip for now. Now you can connect with various people on your LinkedIn. For now, I'm going to tap on finish. And there you have it. That's how simply you can make your LinkedIn account. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.